What the bloody hell's going on here? Thief! Someone stop him!
Hey guys, I've made a pretty drastic change here at ADV HQ and in the life of my family.
Hate you, Dad.
I've said goodbye to the mighty Formosa and I'll try to shed some light on why I did so. Since August 2014, the Formosa has been a pretty big part of my life. Some would say it was almost like a family member. It was meant to be one of those items that was meant to see me through to retirement and even possibly beyond. So why has it gone? I'm certainly a long way from retirement, unfortunately. It was no fault of the boat, it was an absolute ripper. There's no doubt we shared a lot of great memories on this boat, which I'll let play to the sound of some tribute music towards the end of the vid. The first and probably the main reason was getting back into motorbikes. So since late 2019, the want to chase single tracks rather than fight for a boat ramp car park has been winning out. I just ordered a new enduro bike and had to pay for it somehow. Unfortunately, I'm not a plumber, a banker, or some other high roller. Reason number two, the boat ramp has gotten hell busy over the past number of years. Boat trailers quickly fill up the local ramp car park, which holds hundreds, and then you see trailers parked on the sidewalks, up every nearby street, people's spare blocks of land. It just gets a bit crazy. Having to retrieve the boat solo or with the young fella, it just put me off too many times. I mean, we can go for a relaxing ride without the chaos so much more easily. Number three, or thirdly, the family weren't too fussed on coming out. I know Cal's coming to an age where he'll probably appreciate coming fishing more and more as he gets older, but there's other options with charters and things like that. It's a pretty big boat for only an occasional family trip. Number four, fuel costs. It was a nice stable boat, but it did chew a fair bit of fuel at 1.5 kilometres per litre. Not too bad when the price was about $1.30 for premium 98, but over $1.50 and now it's up even over $2 a litre. I'd need to sell a kidney to pay for a fishing trip. And lastly, the fun factor. I was basically launching from the same local ramp, going to basically the same areas and doing much of the same type of fishing. Now don't get me wrong, I'm really grateful for these trips, but a bit of variety exploring new areas and something more exciting on the water is what I'm after. So I didn't want to ignore water activities, not when you live somewhere like we do. So the plan was to downsize to something that is easy and fast to launch, to retrieve, wash down, put away, and I can still take a family member out and have heaps of fun. And a fishing jet ski fits the criteria perfectly. I started the search while on a family holiday over Easter, and the following week, Cal and I were on a road trip to bring the new beast home.
What have we been doing?
Getting the jet ski by the looks. At the back there, hey?
Yeah, she's a beauty, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've done a bit of research on her, mate, and had a bit of a look while we were on holidays.
Yep. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's a 2021 Sea-Doo Fish Pro that I'll no doubt do a walk around vid on soon when all the accessories arrive and I get it ready for us. So this also means I've got a whole heap of room in the shed here where the bikes, they can now be easily accessed, worked on, etc. So at some stage this year, hopefully during winter, I have plans to build this in and make it a nice area to hang out with the bikes and maybe make a little ADV HQ shooting studio. So we'll see how that goes. Here's the bit of a tribute to the mighty Formosa. May it bring its new owners as many awesome trips as it has for us. I can see another boat in our future down the track. Just might be a while. So there you have it. The boat's gone. We're on to new adventures and we'll see how it all unfolds. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Hooroo. That's a wrap. Only took about, I don't know, I reckon that was only 5 or 6 takes. Maybe 5 or 6 beers.